Carnot engine, efficiency of the Carnot engine. After that, we are studied the heat engine. The Carnot engine is a reversible engine. In one direction, it is acts as a heat engine. In another direction, it is acts as a cool engine. Cool engine means refrigerator. In this class, now we want to discuss about the refrigerator. We can use in our houses. Otherwise, in ice cream shops, we can see that. Refrigerator. It is a cool engine. Okay. This refrigerator is opposite of heat engine. It is opposite of heat engine means the method of the working, the process of working of refrigerator is opposite to the heat engine. Now, what is a refrigerator? A engine transfer the energy, Q2, transfer the energy Q2 from sink at T2 Kelvin. The sink is also called by cold reservoir. A engine transferred the energy Q2 from sink at T2 Kelvin to source at T1 Kelvin as energy Q1 when it is runs by externally, when the engine is runs only. That's why I put arrow mark here. When the engine is runs externally is called refrigerator. Must be engine runs. When it is runs only, it transferred the heat energy Q2 as heat energy Q1 to the which one? Source. Okay? Means without run of engine externally, without run the engine externally, the heat is not transferred from cold reservoir to hot reservoir, from sink to the source. Engine must be runs, then only it transferred the energy Q2 from sink at T2 Kelvin to the source at T1 Kelvin as Q1. This engine is a cool engine or refrigerator. This diagram is important. In case of a refrigerator, what we want to find? Refrigerator is quite opposite to the heat engine. In case of heat engine, what we are calculated mathematically? Efficiency. But in case of the cool engine or refrigerator, we find another mathematical form, that is coefficient of performance. The coefficient of performance is a physical quantity to measure the functioning of the refrigerator. Now, what is the coefficient of performance? See on the board, heat transferred from sink to the source. How much heat energy is transferred from sink to the source? Q2 by work done by the engine. What is the work done by the symbol engine? W. Work done by the engine symbol is W. What is the W? Q1 minus Q2. So, the coefficient of performance of the refrigerator symbol is alpha. Alpha is equal Q2 by W or alpha is equal Q2 by Q1 minus Q2. Alpha coefficient of performance is always greater than 1. Okay? This is about the refrigerator. The working of the refrigerator is quite opposite to the heat engine. Now, Carnot engine. Carnot engine in one direction is acts like a heat engine. In another direction, it is acts like a cool engine. Now, what is the example of heat engine? Vehicles. Vehicles are examples of heat engine. And what is the example for the cool engine? Refrigerator. We can say AC also. AC, we can say AC is there in our house, especially in the computer room we can use AC. It is a cool engine. Means vehicles is example of heat engine. The refrigerator is example for the cool engine. But the method of working of heat engine, the method of working of cool engine, both are the same, both are quite opposite. But Carnot engine acts as heat engine in one direction and acts as cool engine in another direction. Okay. Anyhow, the topic Carnot engine and efficiency, that is very, very important for 8 marks question. And next of all, another topic, heat engine, it is important for 4 marks. And in this class what we are studied, cool engine, it is also important for 4 marks. Now we want to discuss about the differences between the heat energy and heat engine and cool engine. Differences between heat engine and cool engine. Just first you record this, first you listen, then after I will write on the board. Heat engine and cool engine. Heat engine, in that one it receives the heat energy, do the work, remaining energy is given to the sink. Means here engine receives the heat energy, then it works. After receiving the heat energy it works and remaining energy is given to the sink. But in cool engine, first engine runs, transfer the energy from sink to the source. Quite opposite here, source, engine, sink. In this direction heat engine. But cool engine runs only, transfer the heat energy from sink to the source. In case of a heat engine, what we can calculate? We can calculate efficiency. The formula of efficiency, neta is equal W by Q1. W by Q1, but here coefficient of performance is alpha is equal Q2 by W. And efficiency neta is equal to how much? 1 minus Q2 by Q1. But here it is not like that, just you can write alpha is equal Q2 by Q1 minus Q2. The efficiency is equal to 1 is called as ideal engine, but efficiency is always less than 1. Only in case of ideal engine it is 1, but coefficient of performance alpha is always greater than 1. Okay, these are the differences between the heat engine and cool engine. Heat engine efficiency is always less than 1, but coefficient of performance alpha is always greater than 1. It is efficiency is less than 1, coefficient of performance is always greater than 1. Okay, these are the major differences between heat engine and cool engine, and you must be practice both. This is very, very, very important in this chapter. Each one is important for 4 marks. Okay, now I would like to write on the board the differences between the heat engine and cool engine, and you record it. Heat engine, but here cool engine. Now we want to take the differences between. Number 1, engine runs by receiving heat energy from source, then after run the engine by external agent, heat transfer from sink to the source. Next, second one, efficiency, W by Q1, Q1 minus Q2 by Q1. But here alpha is equal to Q2 by W, Q2 by Q1 minus Q2. Next, neta is equal to 1 for ideal engine, and third one is, here it is, alpha greater than 1. These are the major differences between the heat engine and the cool engine. Okay, you must be record this also. This is important in this chapter for 2 marks. Okay.